Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at UCAM seminar at Ludhiana show, and I am here with Mr. Jasbir Singh, who's the director of Nikon Precision Vices. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Sir, please tell us about your company first. We would love to know.
My company is Nikon Precision Vices. We are manufacturing precision vices like 5-axis vices, hydraulic vices, modular vices, some many kind of grinding vices. And our company is from 1979. We are manufacturing vices.
And you are based at Ludhiana only, or
We are based in Jalandhar.
Jalandhar?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And what kind of customer base you have? We are working with in all the sectors like automotive. And
Mostly we are working in the sector like machine tool industry, aerospace, defense, railway, and many other industries we are doing.
Fantastic. So you are working with almost all the major sectors
Yeah.
which are critical to
Yeah.
in manufacturing.
Yeah, but
It's great to know. So tell us, you have been using UCAM products, rotary tables for a long time. So how has been your experience in terms of product quality and after sales support?
actually, at present, UCAM no need any introduction. Well-known brand in the market in most of the industries. UCAM we are using from 2011 when we buy DMG Mori machine from Germany. Then that time we put rotatable, first rotatable on our machine UCAM.
Nice.
And we are two more after that. We had two more rotatables of UCAM. And we are very much satisfied. They have very good team uh, about service, after service, sales, service, support. Everything is very good.
So you are getting good quality product as well as good after
UCAM is very helpful for us in our production, our mass production, and making our component vices, all things.
Fantastic. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.